Trades. If you have not liked and subscribed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell button so that you get all the updates. So today's we're going to talk about Tesla, right? So I've been talking about a Tesla, and kind of it was in the key area for quite a times, and I'm going to talk about why it's kind of going higher from yesterday, and also we're going to talk about kind of technicals, where do I see next, right? So a lot of people wanted me to cover Tesla, so let's get it started. So this is Tesla chart, right? We had a hard time struggling right around like 888, almost 900. We could not break it. We tried a lot of times, then we pretty much as the market kind of the crash for a short time because of the yields and everything, interest rate rising. So now we can see that, right? So right now we are around 660. So this is my support line, right at support. It was right at support yesterday. I tweeted yesterday right when it was around here, right at good time to good risk reward, right? So you get out if it goes a little bit down, but a good upside, and it's played really well. Also, that's why I was selling put credit spread. Put credit spread is a bullish strategy, right? I closed up one today like with pretty much like 80-90% profit. So that was a good play. So okay, and the other things, if you notice, is like if you look at the long-term trend line, right? Look at the trend line from all the way from August. It hit right here and it hit right perfectly. This is key area where you have a trend line support as well as this horizontal support, right? So really key area, and we bounce perfectly from here. So where do I see next? Next resistance is right around 700, 705. We need to break it for above, right around 660 right now. So if it goes 750, I think we are going for 750. So we gotta break 700, then we're gonna go 750. Yeah, 780 I think has a good support, and there's a small gap too, looks like. So 780, and if it breach, we're gonna go. And why it's a big, because all the EVs are up. Probably you noticed that the reason is the EV plan, right? So just I mean the American job plan, not the EV plan. So Biden administration just released the American job plan, where you can see create good jobs electrifying vehicles, right? So basically one of the things what they want to spend mostly for next 5 to 10 years is $174 billion investment in EV market. So think about it, 174 billion is a lot of money. Tesla doesn't even make 100 billion, like it was like 25 or 30 billion last year I think, but probably they're hoping for 50 billion or something this year. So that's a lot of amount. Again, this is not going to all to Tesla, and this is not going all to EVs, like, but everything is supporting EV in terms of like more EV charging stations, a lot of EV jobs, and things like that. And also they will have a lot of big plans, like they wanted to kind of electrify 20% of the school bus, the yellow school bus you see. Like that's huge, right? You probably see a lot of those school bus, so 20% is huge. And they are also planning on replacing 50,000 diesel transit vehicle. That's 50,000. That's a lot of those. And think about it, not only Tesla doesn't have to sell cars, they don't have bus yet, right? But think about it, they're spending a lot of money in battery tech, so they will be spending a lot of money in battery technology, so that will be used for if they are. And one of the things kind of Tesla proved themselves is they are pioneer in the battery tech, and they can produce battery cheap. So if they can produce in a battery, they can sell to other manufacturers, they can partner, so they can make money in a lot of other ways, right? They also have a lot of energy storage too, so you can use those to charging, right? So there's a lot of things going on. And again, Tesla is the biggest, right? I think right now it's like 50% or probably more. I don't have exact numbers, I need to look into it, but really like the huge market. And so they're not gonna, I don't think they will be 50%, but again they will be probably 20-30 in the foreseeable future, like at least for 5 to 10 years. So it would be big win for Tesla, and you can probably see in the stock price, right? Today up almost like from yesterday's 600 to almost 60, so almost 60 points. That's like a 7 6 7% from yesterday's lows. So I think this is kind of going in the right way. I would not really enter right now. If you look at 50 days, I don't know where we are, still below 50 days, but 50 days around 734. So I think in a few days it will probably decrease. So I think 700, 510, that would be really good. 700, 5 and 10, that's when you want to look for a good setup. Right now it's still below 50 day, not a great time. And if you look at EMA, still below 8 and 21 days EMA as well. So so right now 21, right at 21. So it will probably curl up, so that's when you kind of look into for going long. But if you are looking for maybe long terms, again, I wouldn't say like 50 days below 100 to 200, that those are the opportunities. If you look at the neo, probably neo is significantly up to, not significantly, since it's American plan and whatnot. I don't know how Neo gonna do that. They do have some presence in US, but not yet. But once they come, they usually manufacture, other company manufacture vehicle in the US as well, so they may get incentives. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any question or comment, let me know and tell me what do you guys think. How But I definitely see Tesla. I think this might be like we're way oversold, and this might be over. So this may be a good news for all the Tesla lover. So yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Other than, have a great day and see you guys later. Thank you.